What's up you guys, it's your boy and I am back for another video. So guys, i-share ko lang sa inyo yung thought process ko around 2 a.m. in the morning this Sunday. So, let's go. So, wala na tong edit-edit, wala tong cut-cut. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na parang binabahin pa ako. Wait lang. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo guys yung thought process ko na, alam mo, I really realized, wait lang, binabahin ako, wait lang. And I am back. Ayun, kung nakita mo, nailuha pa ako kasi nga pinahinga ko eh. Pero gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo guys yung thought process ko this morning na alam mo yung mga pagkakataon na may mga nakakasama kang tao and then you felt like life and God is signaling you something, that there's like a hidden bad energy pero you disregarded. And then, situations happened, siguro mga once, twice, it happened and then you came to realize na, oo nga no, parang same situation happened twice and then it's also coming from the same person. That's also an indication for me na I really believe in energy. Energy in which means na sometimes regardless of how genuine your attention, your kindness, your affection towards the people around you, there will always be something or someone hiding something against you, or it's not necessarily a bad thing. It might be an envy feeling, pero I believe in energy and should really something na kailangan natin tong intindihin kasi may something talaga eh. Kumbaga parang you're not crazy pero you felt like the atmosphere has energy na something hiding talaga at those very moments. So, ang gusto ko lang ipunto dito is that be particular with the energies and signals life and God is giving you kasi most often than not, totoo yun eh. May something talaga. And you're not being against a specific person or something, pero it's more of be particular and be vigilant with the energies that you are receiving, that you are feeling, because prevention is better than cure. It's always better to keep your peace, to keep your life private, to keep your achievements private, but it shouldn't be a hindrance for you not to celebrate, not to be proud of your achievements, pero it's more of be keen with the mannerism and action of the people around you. Yun lang.